You know what makes me sick? You know what makes me so angry? I just want to leave a negative feedback on eBay pertaining to the fact you listed this as very vintage and fragile, easily broken but in mint condition, and then you sent it to me in an envelope. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Oh, I bet you it's going to be taped up inside to no other. On the PEZ book channel, do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Just a little bit of tape. Guess what? More tape. Oh no. Oh no. This is why I don't like tape. Just careful. Being careful. Okay, now that's finally removed. You know what makes me disappointed? Big shout out to Gary Burbank. Just listened to him all the time as a kid. Is he still around? Alright. There we go. Alright. Hi kids! I made it! The PEZ Puppet! That's correct. This is your PEZ Puppet. And this is a version of Betsy Ross. Here you see her on a blue stem. You want to check and make sure that it has nice paint there on her bow, and it does. And a lot of dirt as well. We'll have to clean that up. We'll have to be careful with the paint when we clean it up. Also, this nice little insert. Oh, look at this. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh, and the Hulk mask is available. Let's go ahead and, alright. Here you can order with this PEZ Premium Club and get yourself some masks. Now, look, all you have to do, enclose 10 PEZ wrappers and 50 cents. And then mail it into them. And then you'll get one of these wonderful masks. Who do you want to be? Spider-Man or Hulk? Which one's your favorite? Leave it down in the comments. How about that, kids? Yeah. Then we have this cool Spider-Man comic. Awesome. Back to our PEZ dispenser. Looks like it's in good condition. Down here on this corner, pointed out right down in here, kind of looks like there's a small chip. Not sure on that one. Yep, that's a chip out of it. Don't see any other cracks or defects. No head flop. That's good. Betsy Ross in the house. Thank you very much. Back to comic time. So until next, well, it's comic time. I'm busy.